Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to allow pop-ups on Mac. In addition, we'll tag Mac products within the video and include affiliate links to fantastic Mac products in the description below. To start, go on and click the Safari icon. At the top left corner of this page, you will see another option for Safari. Click on Safari. A drop-down list will then appear, and you'll see an option for Preferences. Click on Preferences. Next, on the pop-up window, you will see several tabs. Click on the Websites tab. On the left side menu, you will see an option for pop-up windows. Click on the Pop-up Windows option. Now you will see the list of open websites. Click on the Block and Notify option beside the website you'd like to allow the pop-up window. Then an option for Allow will appear. Click on Allow. Then repeat on the other websites. That's how you allow pop-ups on Mac. Thank you so much guys for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.